If you enjoy an adult drink or two every now and then you surely prefer to stock up with an adequate supply of liquor to ensure that you always have a bottle to open up and enjoy, especially when guests decide to arrive unexpectedly. This is exactly why you need the best liquor cabinet. These cabinets are excellent for storing different types of liquor safely. Many of them even come with additional features, such as storage space for glasses, ensuring everything is located in one place so that you can simply pour a drink and enjoy it. We've researched and discovered the 7 top-rated liquor cabinets, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for thefreshness.com, reviews of the 7 best liquor cabinet, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, South Shore Bar Cabinet with Bottle and Glass Storage. After considering a large number of options that are currently available on the market in terms of liquor cabinets that provide the ideal solution for storing wine, vodka, and other types of liquor that need to be stored at room temperature, we found the South Shore Bar Cabinet with Bottle and Glass to be the absolute best liquor cabinet. This cabinet comes with all the features that you need to store a wide variety of liquors and alcoholic beverages, along with additional storage space for items like glasses. The top side of the cabinet is flat and convenient for placing your glasses while you're pouring a drink, and provides adequate space for adding decorative pieces, thus ensuring the cabinet can blend in with its surroundings. The South Shore Bar Cabinet features a modern design that can hold 6 wine bottles as well as 12 bottles of your favorite liquor. There's enough space to store about 8 glasses, and additional storage space allows you to store more items, including a side rack for a towel. The particle board used in the construction of the cabinet is non-toxic and eco-friendly. Coming in at number 2, Simpli Home Bedford Solid Wood Sideboard Buffet Wine Rack. If you're looking for the best liquor cabinet with wine rack, then we definitely recommend that you take a closer look at the Simpli Home Bedford Solid Wood Sideboard Buffet Wine Rack. This is an all-in-one option that gives you adequate storage space for different kinds of liquor, along with additional convenient space to store your glasses, towels, and other items that you might need when you're preparing a drink for yourself and a few guests. In addition to the main option being the sideboard buffet, this cabinet also comes in 2 additional options that you can choose from, including a medium storage and a low storage option. The Simpli Home Bedford Solid Wood Sideboard Buffet Wine Rack is made from high-quality wood with a hand-finish overlay, along with a stain that features a dark tobacco brown color. A protective layer on top of the wood also ensures that it's durable and will last longer even with continued use. There are 2 drawers in the center, 2 side doors, and you can store up to 12 bottles of wine in this cabinet. Coming in at number 3, Monarch Specialities 2543 Home Bar. Those who prefer a vertically spaced liquor cabinet over the more traditional option will most likely find the Monarch Specialities 2543 Home Bar much more convenient and an ideal option to add to your home. This one features a ladder-style design with a cappuccino finish. It has a modern look to it that perfectly fits in with any type of existing decor that your room may feature. The shelves are fitted in this particular cabinet are open style, making it easier to see which drink you like to prepare for yourself, and it makes it much easier to actually pour yourself a drink. Apart from adequate storage space for your liquor, you can also store around 8 glasses, along with a range of extra storage units at the bottom to store 15 additional bottles of liquor and wine. You also get a drawer that you can use to store smaller items that you may need when preparing a drink. Looking to learn more about the best liquor cabinet in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, King's Brand Furniture Wood Wine Rack Buffet and Storage Cabinet. The King's Brand Furniture Wood Wine Rack Buffer and Storage Cabinet is a multi-purpose option that you can use to store your liquor and a few bottles of wine, as well as additional items that you may need to keep handy when you're in the mood for a drink or two. This particular liquor cabinet features an attractive design that will really fit in with your room, be it the living room or dining room. You can store 7 bottles of wine or liquor in the main storage rack. There's also adequate space to store glasses, a top compartment that you can use to help you pour a drink or two, and a door cabinet at the bottom that allows you to store more bottles of liquor and wine, as well as additional space that allows you to store towels, cutlery, and even some plates if you need to. This ensures you have everything handy for dinner and drinks. Coming in at number 5, IoHOMES Sallos Multi-Storage Buffet. Those looking for a basic option that is affordable but can still provide a durable product that will last for a significant amount of time should consider opting for the IoHOMES Sallos Multi-Storage Buffet. This is a true multi-storage product, as the name suggests, as it will allow you to store everything from liquor to glasses and all the way to items that you use to serve dinner. This makes the cabinet an ideal solution for the dining room. You would be able to easily serve up some drinks for yourself, the family, and perhaps a couple guests, while also having instant access to cutlery, plates that are used for serving dinner or lunch. There are also specialty wine storage units fitted in the cabinet for added storage. Coming in at number 6, Ameriwood Home Barrett Beverage Cabinet. Next up is the Ameriwood Home Barrett Beverage Cabinet. This is another tall option that takes away from the traditional options that are found on the market. The product comes with a relatively vintage look, but will still be a perfect design for modern homes. It can easily add to your dining room, living room, or even home bar. There are 2 separate main compartments, each featuring several shelves, along with 3 bottom drawers that offer some extra storage space. The product is easy to assemble and also comes in other options if you default the cabinet that's not to your liking. The cabinet is made from quality materials including MDF and particle board. The legs are made from metal, not only to add elegance to the piece, but also better sturdiness when making the product a more cost-effective option at the time. Coming in at number 7, Simpli Home Warmer Shaker Solid Wood High Storage Wine Rack. The final option in this review of best liquor cabinets is the Simpli Home Warm Shaker Solid Wood High Storage Wine Rack. This cabinet holds to a more traditional design and comes in a variety of options. Apart from the default option, you can choose a low or medium storage unit instead. You can also get to choose from 3 different colors, including honey brown, tobacco brown, distressed gray. This product has a handcrafted to ensure top quality and durability, while also being an affordable cabinet for those who are on a tighter budget. The Simpli Home Warm Shaker Solid Wood High Storage Wine Rack offers adequate storage space of up to 12 bottles of wine and liquor. The shelves in the main storage compartment are adjustable, which makes it more convenient to adjust the space in order to fit specific items that you would like to store in the cabinet. The cabinet comes with tapered legs that are square-shaped and nickel knobs to ensure that it looks great no matter which room you decide to place it. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite liquor cabinet. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com liquor cabinets to avoid. Wine bar, buffet, and storage cabinet with center glass and wine rack. We've looked at some of the top options to choose from if you wish to buy a liquor cabinet that you can use to store your drinks, wine, and related items in your home. Now let's take a quick look at the worst liquor cabinet on the market. It's not only important that we consider the top options, but we should also consider the options that might cause you to lose a significant amount of money if you decide to invest in one of these liquor cabinets. The wine bar, buffet, and storage cabinet with center, glass, and wine rack are definitely not worth it. This product is made from relatively high quality materials featuring a walnut finish along with wood that's rated furniture grade, but the product is far too expensive considering the fact that there are more affordable cabinets on the market that are made with much higher quality materials. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best liquor cabinet. If you prefer to buy multiple bottles of liquor at the same time, then you already know that having adequate storage space to keep those bottles in is very essential. There are many different options available on the market, but buying the best liquor cabinet will provide you with the most convenient experience in terms of storing your liquor and ensuring there's always a bottle or two ready to be served for yourself and a couple friends when they decide to drop by. Looking to learn more about the best liquor cabinets in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite liquor cabinet. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.